Hi everyone. So I'm trying to make a new recipe. I'm trying to make the Chinese boneless spare ribs. But instead of using the ribs, I'm using chicken wings instead. So I'm making this sauce for the Chinese spare ribs. The same sauce they use for those ribs, I'm using for chicken wings instead. So what I did was I have the ingredients here, and it calls for a half cup of hoisin sauce. It also calls for a half cup of soy sauce, also a half cup of red cooking wine, minced garlic, which this is the kind that I have, minced garlic, a tablespoon of sugar, a, an eighth teaspoon of cinnamon, and an eighth teaspoon of ground coriander. And I don't have a pinch of cloves, so I'm gonna bypass that. Also, fresh black pepper and a quarter cup of barbecue sauce. Now, from my barbecue sauce, I use two different kinds. So I used Asian honey barbecue sauce, and I use Korean barbecue sauce. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's all right here, inside here. My next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my own little touch to this. So I'm gonna add honey. And what I'm gonna do is, once I make this and everything and I marinate it, I'm going to put this. So we're gonna add at least 1 cup of honey. So we're gonna add a cup of honey. And then we're just gonna stir this around. And we're gonna put this in my Cuisinart oven and everything. Technically, I'm supposed to really let this marinate overnight, but I didn't get the chance to do this last night because I've been so busy with my studies. So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm going to season my meat, and then after I season all the chicken wings, I'm going to marinate it for about an hour. Now, within the hour that it's marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and start the water for the macaroni. But I can actually let it marinate, but instead, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and cook it up. But I'm gonna use my Cuisinart oven. I have to set my Cuisinart oven to 375 degrees. And so that's all, that's all straightened out right there. And I will see you on the next video when I get everything taken care of. So again, all I did was took half cup of red cooking wine, a half cup of hoisin sauce, a half cup of soy sauce, an eighth teaspoon of ground coriander, a teaspoon of cinnamon and sugar, some black pepper, a cup of honey, and a tablespoon of brown sugar, and 2 different barbecue sauces. Korean barbecue sauce and Asian honey barbecue sauce. And that was it. That's all I did. But on my next video, I will come to part 2 on how it's going to turn out. I'll bring you guys back.